Hey everybody, it's Kristina, the mobile home mama here in Topeka, Indiana. I'm about to show you a house, a 16 by 66, 2-bedroom, 2-bath that Brittany loves. She thinks this is the most amazing house she's seen yet. So she's happy behind the camera, I'm happy in front of the camera. Let's check it out. This is called a galley kitchen. So anytime you have the kitchen up against one side of the home, and that's true in a stick-built home also, it's called a galley kitchen. So this customer, and this is going to Ohio by the way, as you can tell from my videos, we ship all over the Great Lakes states. Please give me a call. We've got a microwave over the range. We added that as an option. These nice rich brown timber wolf cabinets with a drama marble top. I don't know if we've seen this flooring yet, but Brittany is in love with this flooring. It's a nice rich dark chocolate brown color. We've got Casper cashmere on the walls. An 18 cubic foot refrigerator. And this little nook is one of Brittany's favorites here. So when you come in the back door, you're coming right into your laundry. So what would you say, Brittany, if your kids were coming into the back door full of mud? What would you tell them?
Drop your shoes and your clothes.
So it's a great place to stop, drop, and wash them up.
And then look, you walk right out this way. You could come hit the master bathroom. Man, this is nice. I like that big window too.
Master bedroom here with a walk-in master closet. We do have the water heater back there. This is about 1,000 square foot home, maybe a little under. 16 by 66, I think I said that already. Coming into the master bath, we did do a walk-in shower. Now this has the doors that are taped shut. Okay, you can get them with or without the doors, so that's up to you. Some people just want the plain old shower curtain, but some people like the doors. Actually, they hang on to them when they get in the shower, so that's totally up to you. We've got an extended vanity with a bank of drawers. That's a nice feature.
A nice big window.
Yeah, 46 by 61. Let's take a look at the windows. These are single hung, meaning they only open from the bottom, but they are dual pane. And they do tilt in.
Oh, fancy.
So your man can clean them.
Yeah, man.
Is that how it goes at your house, Brittany?
No, I don't trust him to do that kind of stuff.
Okay. Let's head to the other end of the home. Very large, spacious living room for a 2-bedroom home.
Yeah, it
This
really
is great.
is.
The linoleum starts right when you walk in, so don't worry about tracking mud through the house. Just make the kiddos take their shoes off at the door. Here's the second guest bath, nice and simple with a 60-inch tub shower combination.
How we doing, ladies?
We're doing great.
Okay. If you have anything, just leave paper on there.
They look great.
We're all heading out.
All right, have a good day.
Just please shut the doors.
We will.
All right,
Enjoy your
thank
day.
you.
Hi, back here we're in bedroom 2. A big spacious bedroom back here, and Brittany pointed out that the closet is humongous in here.
I mean, really, look at this closet.
We'll let her, she'll tell you all about it.
Look, at first I was like, oh, it's just a little walk-in closet. Look at this thing. Harry Potter would have lived in here in luxury.
I could fit about a quarter of my
This is what I'm saying. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. This is the biggest closet ever.
It's Kristina, the mobile home mama. Brittany's with me today. We make our homes and we're really proud of the homes that we make, guys. We've got an incredible warranty team. We've got an incredible project coordinator. That's what Brittany does. So when you buy a home from me, I'm going to show you around. We're going to sit down. We're going to design your home just as if you were building a stick home from scratch. And then once we finish that process, I hand you over, and I'm still there, of course, but Brittany takes over and she handles all of the finalities of the deal. So please come and meet us. Just hang out with us for a day. I promise you'll have a good time. We'll get you some lunch, free overnight stay if you want one as well. And come check out these homes before the weather starts to get colder. Thanks for watching.